10 ipon na dapat meron ka. Emergency fund. Let's say monthly savings mo is 2,000 pesos or savings mo in 1 year is 24,000 pesos. Ito ay para sa biglaang gastusin tulad ng pagkakasakit o pagkawala ng trabaho. Health fund. Kung kunyari ang monthly savings mo is 1,000 pesos, ang savings mo in 1 year is 12,000 pesos para sa check-up, gamot, o medical expenses. Education fund. Let's say monthly savings mo is 1,500, savings in 1 year is 18,000 pesos para sa matrikula, school supplies, o mga training. Retirement fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 2,000 pesos, your savings in 1 year is 24,000 pesos para magkaroon ng pera pagdating ng retirement. Sariling bahay fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 3,000 pesos, your savings in 1 year is 36,000 pesos para sa down payment o pambili ng sariling bahay. Vehicle fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 2,500 pesos and savings in 1 year is 30,000 pesos para sa down payment o pambili ng sasakyan. Christmas fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 1,000 pesos, your savings in 1 year is 12,000 pesos para sa handaan, regalo, at iba pa, panggastusin rather tuwing Pasko. Opportunity fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 1,500, your savings in 1 year is 18,000 pesos para may nakaandang pera kapag may magandang negosyo, sideline, o investment opportunity. Business fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 2,500, your savings in 1 year is 30,000 pesos para sa puhunan ng maliit na negosyo. Dream fund. Let's say your monthly savings is 2,000 pesos, your savings in 1 year is 24,000 pesos para sa mga personal na pangarap tulad ng bahay, negosyo, o iba pang life goals. So again, ito ang 10 ipon na dapat meron ka. Thank you!